This is our reel setup for PPF. We keep a pressurized 5-gallon tank in here, and this line runs up and out to 5 different sprayers. And then this pressurized system comes from our compressor. You can see it runs behind the cabinet. And we have the sprayer at each corner of the vehicle, and then one at the front. We also have air lines and power lines